What if your lifelong dream suddenly stands in front of your deepest love, and you must make a hard choice? This was the position I found myself in. My name is Alex. I am 26 years old. I live in a small flat in East London, England. I work at a coffee shop, but I want more. I want to be a graphic designer. I want to build my own small studio one day. Every night, I sit at my tiny desk. I draw logos, posters, and ideas. I watch online videos. I practice. My eyes feel tired. My hands hurt sometimes. But my heart feels strong. I have ambition. This big dream lives inside me. I keep a vision board on my wall. It has pictures of bright offices, beautiful art, and people smiling at computers. I look at it every morning. I say, one day, this will be my life. Then, one rainy evening, everything changes. It is Friday. It is late. I am walking home from work. Rain falls softly. People rush past me. I stop at a small bus shelter. There is someone already inside. It is Jamie. Jamie stands near the glass wall. Wet hair. Warm smile. Blue jacket. We look at each other. We both smile, for no reason at all.
Hi,
Jamie says. Hi, I answer. That is it. One small word. But my heart beats fast. The bus is late. We wait together. The rain is loud. We start to talk.
do you like the rain?
Jamie asks. Sometimes, I say. It makes the city quiet. Jamie laughs softly. I like that laugh. It is gentle. We talk about simple things. Work. Food. Music. It feels easy. It feels natural. There is a new feeling inside me. It is affection. After that night, we start to see each other more. We meet for coffee. We walk along the river. We share stories. Jamie listens to me. Jamie asks about my drawings, my dreams, my future. No one ever listens like that. But then, something changes inside me. One evening, I sit at my desk. My laptop is open. A deadline is close. I must send a design to a client. But my phone lights up. A message from Jamie.
Are you free tonight?
I look at the screen. I look at my work. I feel pulled in two directions. I write, yes. That night, I choose Jamie. I do not finish my work. One time becomes two times. Two becomes many. I start missing deadlines. My boss at the coffee shop looks worried. A client stops working with me. My dream starts to move away from me, slowly, like fog. I feel scared. I feel confused. One day, my best friend Emma visits me. She sees my messy desk. She sees my tired face.
You are at a crossroads, Alex.
She says,
You cannot walk both paths if they go in different directions.
Her words stay in my mind. That night, I meet Jamie again. We sit in a quiet park. The sun is low. The sky is orange.
Something is wrong.
Jamie says. I take a deep breath. I feel vulnerable, like my heart is open. I am losing my dream, I say. I am losing myself. Jamie looks down.
Is it because of me?
I do not answer. The silence is heavy.
I never wanted to be your problem.
Jamie says quietly. You are not a problem, I say fast. You are special to me. We sit close, but the air between us feels thick. That night, I go home and cannot sleep. I stare at the ceiling. I think about my childhood. I remember drawing on the floor. I remember my mother's smile. She said,
Follow your dream, Alex. Even when it is hard.
Tears come to my eyes. The next morning, I make a decision. I choose to commit to my dream again. But I do not want to lose Jamie. I must speak honestly. I meet Jamie near the river. The air is cold. People walk past us. I have to be honest, I say. I need time for my dream. I cannot give you all of me right now. I cannot meet you every day. Jamie is quiet. But, I continue, I do not want you to disappear. I still care. I just need balance. Jamie looks at me. Then Jamie smiles.
That is all I wanted.
Jamie says.
Your truth.
My heart feels lighter. The tight pain inside me begins to melt. From that day, my life changes again. I wake up early. I work on my designs. I send work on time. I build my small online portfolio. My hands are busy. My mind is clear. Jamie and I meet only on Sundays. We walk. We talk. We laugh. It is simple. It is enough. I learn the meaning of sacrifice, but also the meaning of respect. Months pass. One day, I get an email. You are accepted for the junior designer position. I read it again and again. Accepted. I feel shocked. I feel happy. I sit on the floor and cry. That evening, I meet Jamie and show the message.
You did it.
Jamie says, hugging me. No, I say softly. We did it. You never stopped believing in me. Jamie smiles.
And you never stopped believing in yourself.
Now I sit in a small studio in London. The sun comes through the big windows. My drawing is on the wall. My heart is full. I am still dreaming. And I am still loving. And for the first time, the two feelings live together in peace.
What would you choose if you were Alex, your big dream or the person you love? Tell me your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting English stories. Key vocabulary from the story are ambition, affection, crossroads, sacrifice, and vulnerable. Ambition, a strong wish to reach a big goal. Affection, a warm feeling of love or care. Crossroads, a time when you must make an important choice. Sacrifice, giving up something for a better result. Vulnerable, feeling open and easy to hurt emotionally. Lesson of the day. Commit. Commit means to decide to give your time and energy to something seriously. Example from the story. I choose to commit to my dream again. More examples. She wants to commit to learning English. He commits to his work every day. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and share. You can watch the next story here or explore our playlist for more inspiring stories. And don't forget to subscribe, more interesting stories for learning English are coming soon.